What is the difference between dry and intermittent fasting? Dry fasting versus intermittent fasting. Do you know that overweight can push you to the verge of destruction? Extra fat can cause chronic heart disease, kidney failure, obesity, hypertension, and many such fatal diseases. To lose extra weight and to look smarter, many people go to the gym and start fasting and choosing healthy diet options. Among those are dry fasting and intermittent fasting. Both these are equally beneficial, and can help you to lose extra fat, look smart and fit. Both intermittent and dry fasting can have positive effects on your overall health. But, do you know what are the benefits of dry and intermittent fasting? By the end of this video, you will discover the health benefits of dry and intermittent fasting. Watch till the end to find out both the benefits and differences of dry and intermittent fasting and decide which you would prefer to implement in your life. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you won't miss the upcoming videos of living a healthier and happy lifestyle. Dry fasting. For dry fasting, you are restricted to neither food nor drink for a particular period. One can't take even any type of liquid, tea or broth. Dry fasting is performed by various religious scholars to get their focus on spiritual needs. It is also performed by Muslims during the month of Ramadan. Discover in this video the benefits of dry fasting. Please take note that you may want to consult your doctor on how to do it or whether it is suitable for your health conditions. 1. Reduce inflammation. Inflammation is the immune response of the body towards any odd happening inside or outside of the body affecting it. Dry fasting has been found to reduce inflammation and CXC chemokine, molecules that trigger inflammation when not regulated. In a research done on Muslims during the month of Ramadan in 2012, the scientists measured the inflammatory cytokines of 50 participants a week before the month of Ramadan and they measured them during the ending days of Ramadan. They found a significant decrease in the number of cytokines. 2. Make the bones stronger. Alongside lowering the body fat, it also has a positive effect on your bones. As it is said that a person is strong if his bones are strong. Dry fasting makes your body release parathyroid hormone, PTH. According to a well-known research, parathyroid hormone aids the body in bone reabsorption, bone formation, and it increases the calcium level in your body. So, you may want to start dry fasting to improve your bones' health. 3. Benefit your skin. Dry fasting can promote healthy skin. The good thing about fasting is that it leads to higher level of purines and pyrimidine in the body, which increases the level of antioxidants. Hence, this will help in improving the overall health and improves the skin health. However, the food intake of healthy food after fasting is important too. The intake of healthy food reduces skin aging. So, eating right and healthy is the key to a healthy skin. 4. Boost immunity. In University of Southern California, research published has shown that prolonged fasting can lead to the regeneration of the cells, especially of your immune system. When we begin to fast, the body initially breaks down several immune-fighting white blood cells. It instinctively knows to start saving energy, and one way it does is by removing old or damaged immune cells. But it quickly adjusts and triggers the regeneration of new cells, therefore increasing the number of immune-boosting cells. Dry fasting resets the immune system by removing damaged cells, allowing the body to regenerate new ones. It also improves your immune system. 5. Prevent diabetics and decreased blood glucose levels. It is being advised by the doctors to not take a lot of glucose. Diabetic is fatal and can damage the eyes, kidneys, brain, and heart. Dry fasting restricts you to eat or even drink any sort of thing which lowers the blood glucose in turn. However, you may want to consult your doctor if you have diabetic on whether dry fasting is suitable for you. As shown above, healthy fasting helps the body maintain a balance, but going for extensive can simply affect your overall health. Consult your doctor how long will be suitable for you. 6. Cell regeneration. With regards to cell regeneration, research in stem cell revealed that when in a controlled lab, mice when subjected to dry fasting, cause cell regeneration. In phase I of the same research, human body has shown the same results. Dry fasting also triggers the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is a chemical of utmost importance, prevents memory loss, increases the formation of new neurons in the brain, and protects the degeneration of the already present neurons. Watch until the end to discover what are the benefits of intermittent fasting. If you have not, Click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you could benefit from living a healthier and happier lifestyle. Intermittent fasting. The very question is how intermittent is done? Intermittent fasting is done most of the time by the 8 to 16 rule. By this rule, you can eat or drink for 8 hours and will have to fast for the rest of 16 hours. You are allowed to have liquid containing 0 calories during the fasting phase. You can take water or some fluid options during fasting. Unlike dry fasting, you can take water and green tea during these 16 hours of fasting. This is the main difference between dry fasting and intermittent fasting. Let's discover in this video what are the benefits of intermittent fasting excluding weight loss, as we have already discussed that both of these can make you lose weight and can lower the number on the weight machine. 1. Reduces insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is very common these days due to lifestyle changes. Aren't these figures such a piece of good news for diabetic patients? It depicts that intermittent fasting can be life-saving for people with insulin resistance. 2. Changes hormone and cells. As simple as walking can have some effects on your hormones, so fasting is a big thing compared to walking. Your body may trigger the cells to intake more glucose, burn the fat to compensate the glucose need, or can make the body produce new cells. During intermittent fasting, insulin levels in the blood drops very efficiently, which can trigger the fat burn in the body. Also, the amount of human growth hormone increases in the blood. A high amount of HGH can cause muscle gain, fat burn. During fasting programmed cell death occurs, which can also sometimes prevent you from getting cancer. The body also increases the healing and repairing process and removes toxins and wastes from the body. 3. Reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is caused by free radicals formed in the body, which can lead to cancer as free radicals react with other protein and DNA and change their composition. Research backed up the idea that intermittent fasting in one way and another increases the ability of the body to fight these free radicals and can reduce oxidative stress. Fast and get yourself free of these toxins. 4. Fights neurodegenerative diseases. The brain is no doubt one of the most important parts of the human body. Without it, or even with the declined function of this organ, humans can't function. Some diseases can lead to a declined functioning of the brain. A study suggested that intermittent fasting has led to a decline in the onset of Alzheimer's. As Alzheimer's has no cure, so it is important to stop the onset of it. Another study on animals has revealed that intermittent fasting also protects the brain from some other cognitive degenerative diseases like Parkinson's disease and Huntington's disease. 5. Reduce visceral fat. One of the most ugly-looking fat is the fat around the visceral area. It deshapes the body and can overall reduce the confidence of the affective person. A review of the literature was done in 2014, according to which people who did intermittent fasting lost 3 to 4% of weight over 4,5 months, and also the big achievement was that they lost 5 to 7% of the waist circumference, which is visceral and is very dangerous. Click the like button and, most importantly, share this important information with your loved ones so that they could also start living a healthier and happy lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification, and see you in the next video.